You're counting down to the open in Asia. Will Caloris is in Sydney with more on how the markets are setting up there. Will.
Well, Melissa, we are expecting a bit of a drop-off when it does come to most of the Asian markets following on from that Wall Street lead. The Nikkei futures right now showing around about 365 points knocked off the top. It is worth remembering, though, that the Nikkei was sitting at 30-year highs because of a lot of the government stimulus. That's in dollar terms. As far as Australia is concerned, right now the SPI futures are showing around about a 1.9% drop at the open as well. This is pre the reset, however, but I suppose one of the byproducts for the Australian market is the fact that the Australian dollar got absolutely creamed on the back of that US dollar strength as the markets went down. So that came off by 1%. So it should buttress some of the commodity plays, even though some of our big iron ore miners in the ADRs lost around about 3% in the US trade. But I suppose the biggest gauge, or the first gauge that you are likely to see, is the New Zealand markets. They open in around about 5 minutes' time. So that should set the tone for the rest of what we are expecting to see on the Asian markets, Melissa.
All right, Will, thanks. Will Caloris in Sydney, Australia for us. Steve Grasso, we've had trouble with your shop. We got you on the phone. Tomorrow, first thing in the morning, what will you look at?
So, it's always that little bit of who's chasing who. So obviously we're going to see the weakness in the Asian markets coming off of our markets. And then when we get in, the play is going to be, you want to see the American markets, the U.S. markets, continue to sell off and be weak prior to the opening. You don't want to see them try to recover based on a bounce before the New York Open. You'd rather see them open weak, stay weak for maybe a couple of hours of the day, and then try to rally. The problem, Melissa, is that we're going into a holiday weekend. So a lot of this stuff can be exacerbated or muted, depending on how you look at it, but I would look for more weakness.
All right.